Hey everyone, I was looking at everyone's assignment from Tuesday, and for the most part, I was really pleased. The standard 408A3 is one of those that you're really going to have to pay close attention to because it's going to require multiple steps. So I thought we would go ahead and work through this one as a revisit before we start on today's assignment, which is going to be, again, the standard 408A3, working multiple step word problems using multiple operations. So looking at this problem, Carl's rectangular vegetable garden is 20 feet by 45 feet, and McKenna's is 25 feet by 40 feet. Whose garden is larger in area and by how many square feet? So, the first thing we have to do is we have to find the area of each one of their gardens. So, for instance, Carl's vegetable garden is 20 feet by 45 feet. So, we have a garden that is 20 feet by 45 feet. Now, when you hear me say the word by, I always think of multiplication 20 feet by 45 feet. So that X helps remember that when we're finding an area, we're multiplying for a regular rectilinear shape. So thinking about 20 times 45. This is 20 groups of 45. Well, we could sit here and add 45 together 20 times, but that would take forever, potentially lose our math. So think about how can we possibly work on 20 groups of 45? Well, a lot of times we can decompose these numbers. So for instance, 40 and 5. So then we could use a distributive property to help us. 20 times 40 plus 20 times 5. So looking at that, 20 times 40, well, I know 2 times 4 is 8. So I know 20 groups of 40 is 800. Okay, 20 groups of 5. So I know 2 times 5 is 10. And 20 groups of 5 would be 100. So 800 plus 100 would get us 900. So the area for Carl's garden is 900 square feet. Now we go back to the question and it says McKenna's garden is 20 feet, 25 feet by 40 feet. 25 feet by 40 feet. So going down, again, thinking about 25 feet by 40 feet. Okay, again, a regular rectilinear shape. So area of length times width will apply here. So 25 times 40. Now I can take and decompose the 25 into 20 and 5. So now I've got 20 times 40 plus 5 times 40. Looking at that problem, I know 2 times 4 is 8, and we have 20 groups of 40, so it's going to get us 800, and 5 groups of 40, so 5 times 4 is 20 to get us 200. So 800 plus 200 is going to get us 1,000. Now, that is just the first 2 steps. We had to first figure out how the area of Carl's garden is. Now we figured out the area of McKenna's garden. We have to go back to our question, and it says whose garden is larger in area and then by how many square feet. So we have 2 more steps. So this is 4 steps in all. So going back, we know that McKenna's garden is larger because 1,000 is greater than 900. And then it said by how much larger? We know that 1,000 minus 900 is 100 square feet. So it is 100 square feet larger than Carl's garden. Okay. So just remember as we move forward with this standard, it's going to require multiple steps and multiple operations. Here we had multiplication and subtraction. So please take your time as we unpack for this standard. Thanks so much.